Hey, this is Alex with Origin, and I'm here to talk about auditing your website and your booking experience so your clients always have the easiest time possible booking your services with you. Here at Origin, we've talked with hundreds of businesses that offer all kinds of different tours and activities, and they're all struggling with the same manual booking process. Most of the booking processes look like this. There's all sorts of manual tasks. You have to call back and forth with the client, call back and forth with all of your guides. You have to actually check and see what's available instead of having one centralized place to find out all that information. This might seem like it helps you with your customization and your personalization for all of your different offerings, but in reality, it just bogs down the customer experience. And your customers might be thinking, hey, why does it take so long for me to get an answer? I'm just trying to see if something is available this weekend. Now, instead of your clients having to contact you through a form and waiting for you to reach back out to them, there's a much easier way to make the end-to-end booking experience better for your clients and in turn, you and your business. The end-to-end customer journey can be thought about in a couple different ways. A lot of people like to think about it as the funnel, and you probably have heard of the marketing funnel. In that, the customer starts at the top of the funnel where they're finding out about your business, and you want to work them all the way down to the bottom of the funnel when they're actually booking or purchasing something with you. And when we're thinking about this funnel, we want to make sure that they have the easiest time getting from the top of the funnel to the bottom of the funnel. And I have some examples to show you. For our first example, we have Western Spirit. They're a multi-day mountain biking company out in Moab, Utah, and they offer all sorts of different trips you can book, whether you're booking a private trip for your group of friends or your family, or if you want to get a couple spots on another awesome bike trip. They have a great website layout. You can go into their menus and you can sort by all of the different types of offerings they have. Let's see, we want to do a technical single track trip because I'm pretty good at riding mountain bikes. They have all sorts of different trips. They have the Centennial bike trip. They have the Colorado single track. They have Crested Butte. And I think I'm definitely going to book the Crested Butte trip. Now we're on their trip page. We can find out all the information here, all on one page. There's no back and forth. I don't really need to call them to figure out, any of the details because they have a super detailed webpage with everything that I want to know. Now, instead of having to fill out a form and waiting for them to get back to me, I have the booking capability right here on their website. I can choose the dates. I can choose how many people are in my group, and I can book and pay for this right here and receive all of the automated communication. This makes their life at Western Spirit a lot easier because there's less things to juggle around. In my life as a customer and a client is a lot easier because I just booked the trip and now I can spend my time getting excited versus trying to wait and figure out if I'm actually going to be on this trip. Now we have a different example here. Since I'm not as good of a rock climber as I am a mountain biker, let's book a trip with a professional climbing guide. We have Alpine to the Max. He started using Origin and he offers all sorts of different disciplines and different services, even in different locations. So you can book a rock trip, an alpine trip, an ice trip, all sorts of different things. And he has this broken down very nicely and neatly on his website. If I wanted to book a rock trip, maybe a beginner level one, I can go to rock. I can go to climb a flat iron because I'm here in Boulder, and I can see all the details about this flat irons climbing trip. I can book all right here without leaving this page. I don't have to call him. I don't have to email him. I don't have to fill out a form and wait for Max to get back to me. I can book right here and be confident as a customer that everything is set up. And if the company needs to reach out to me, they know where to find me because I gave them all my details. Now, if you want to go in and audit your website because it's been a while, we'll provide a bunch of details in the post accompanying this video. We'll show you those websites we were looking at, and we'll provide a bunch of other useful information that you can use while you're looking through your website and seeing how you can improve things for you and your clients. Now, of course, there's more to running a guiding business than just having your website set up. So we'll be making a couple other videos for you that'll cover some different topics that we think will be equally as helpful.